So for our drawing, just to go over real quick, we faced it off down to the top of the part. We did a pocket, which is this area right here. You can see it a little bit. This is the pocket on the outer edge. And then we did some through holes, which go all the way through. This is some of the edges here. I know it looks a little complicated, but you probably get the idea if you look at this profile, this section view here. Okay, so let's go back over here. And another thing I want to show you is that when we simulate this, let's play this again. I want to go into my preferences and I want to do the simulation. I want to do it from semi-transparent for now. I'm going to do it opaque so we can see the stock a lot better. Okay, and let's just go up here. Now, what I've done is, if you recall, I made the stock color a dark blue, if you remember, and I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to change some of these colors. You can use the properties option and you can change these colors, and I'm going to change the colors for my facing. Okay, and I'm going to change the color of this pocket, and I think I used that. Click OK, and then this one is going to be the same. Okay, and to get these colors to show up, use this little drop down here. So the default for the properties is going to be to the MOP, meaning MOP is short for machining operation. So I'm going to pick MOP, and you'll see that the colors now appear in the simulation. So it just makes it easier. We highlighted these edges in white, as you can see, or very light blue. So you can see the edges real good. You can see where the profile cuts go, and you can see where the top of our pot is down here. Okay, and then also out here. Okay. Again, if you got any questions, I know this is a complicated part, but I'm trying to go slow enough so you can get the idea of the cut levels. Okay.
Don, there was a question about the cut levels. When you get some time, can you walk through the cut levels again?
Yeah, we're going to be doing it for a number of more operations.